Hey everybody, we're here for a whole new video. We are back at Magic Kingdom for part 2 and we are so excited to start the night. We have a ton of lightning lanes packed. We have a ton of things to do. We have a crazy schedule. Our bus was over an hour late. We're gonna have to run into the parks, make sure we get all these in time. If we don't, I know we can go ahead and get with guest services and they'll be able to help us out. It wasn't really our fault that we had to wait that so long for a bus, and we did enough time, but these things happen that we just have to go with guest services and they'll be able to take care of things for us. We're gonna go ahead and start off getting into the parks. We just got my husband's magic band all set up for his DVC. His DVC ring has not been turning purple, so he's super excited to turn that off, and I will share that with you guys first. Still green?
Still green.
Jungle Cruise is great. I do not go on that one all the time. I have gone it for Jingle Cruise and I tend to like that better. It's a great attraction. It hits differently with my mom because she's been riding it forever. So I already put in a mobile order for Sunshine Terrace for some Dole Whip. I got the citrus swirl, and then Brody and my mom got the orange cream. So we're picking that up as we run over to Space Mountain and then Buzz. All right, we got the orange and cream and then the citrus swirl and cream. They're both delicious. I don't know how people cross the parks. When you have to go across the park, grab a snack. It makes that experience so much better. I'm trying to teach everyone, if you have something to munch on as you go halfway across the park, it makes the trip that much more magical. We're hustling and bustling. I stacked these tight. We had a bus delay, which then scrunched everything together. You usually have like an hour, but we're hitting it at the end of the hour for everyone, which normally I'd like to do the beginning of the hour. So we're hitting up Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I think they've been a little congested. Some of these rides keep going down. Some of the rides keep going down, which then is backing up the lightning lanes. So it's not taking too long, but it's definitely taking a little longer than normal.
Put our hands in it. Let's go there. Go ahead.
I'm shiny and sweaty, you guys. Fireworks are about to start. You guys know where I am. Give this video a like. We are having some corn dog nuggets, which are a staple for me. Anytime we're getting ready to watch a fireworks show, this is what we grab. I was able to get a mobile order from Fantasyland on over here. The show's about to start. We got snacks and we're ready to go. Alright, so we did a little change of plans. We were going to watch the fireworks. And the first showing was so busy. There's only like an hour and a half difference between the two. One's at like 9:30 and then the next one's at 11. I just think it's going to be a better experience and we have a better seats. And people were getting nasty, like, So I recommended that we leave the fireworks after like 3 minutes of attempting to watch. Like, let's go ahead and leave. There's a couple more rides that we want to do. We have a couple more lightning lanes. I'm not booking any more lightning lanes. But I know wait times are going to be posted high to keep people out of the park, but it's a great time to utilize these wait times to actually finish up any last minute rides while the fireworks are going on, especially the first fireworks viewing. So I went ahead and jumped in line for It's a Small World. This is a staple. We needed to get this stuff from my mom. We probably would have figured out to road it sometime this afternoon while it was a little lower, but this works. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on It's a Small World. It's a walk-on, and it has been a walk-on for a lot of the day besides rope drop, and I'm not rope dropping It's a Small World. If you haven't seen those vlogs, I'll go ahead and drop them down below. We jump on It's a Small World, and then we still have the lightning lane for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. So, and I love doing that night with the fireworks. It's amazing. So this is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and then I think go get a spot. Maybe one more snack for the fireworks, and then we're ready to go.
See, it's nice and refurbished and painted too. Let me find what's coming years ago.
So we just finished with It's a Small World. It's going to be a little dark because it is nighttime, which is my favorite time in the parks, especially this one. You guys know how much I love Disney at night. It's just, there's nothing like it. It's my favorite. So as you guys know, we ditched the show. We went on It's a Small World. We are using our last lightning lane. Just was looking back with my headset. I'm like, have we waited longer than like 15 minutes for any ride? Nope, we did good. So I'm gonna go ahead and link all the other vlogs down for you guys of what we did today, everything that we've done at Magic Kingdom to help you guys, because honestly, I hated it for so long. I love Genie Plus now, I really do. It's made it so easier. I will not wait in lines, I really won't. I mastered it with Fast Pass, and now this is even easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and link all those vlogs down below for you guys, but this is gonna be our last lightning lane. We're gonna probably grab one more snack before everything closes and then head out to fireworks when the night's over, which means that we only have one more day left in the park. So I'll be super sad about that, but we have a whole bunch more goodness. We're going to a whole nother resort. I still have to film a resort tour for you guys, which I'm super excited about. But before we end the vlog, we were gonna go on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad one more time. Ducks. Oh my god, the castle with my ducks. So we just stopped in the Christmas shop. We were hunting down my mom because she's not going on the roller coasters. And so you guys have seen some of those other vlogs. Picked up a couple more things. These hauls, you guys, I feel like I have not been eating as much food in the parks the last few trips, but the merchandise has been being bought. So we're gonna try and find a good spot for the fireworks here. We have a little bit of time, we're earlier, and it's not going to be as busy. It's still going to be crowded, but it's not going to be as bad. So I'm hoping to get a good seat for you guys and share everything bye.